Good morning, guys. Back in London now. Uploading 3 vlogs at once. Actually, I've managed to have one uploading on Final Cut Pro, one uploading on iMovie, and then one that looks like it may actually upload on the browser. And if not, it's not really a big deal because it's the third one in the line anyway. So, getting vlogs up. Thank God for unlimited internet, right? So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Hopefully I can get all these uploaded, and then the one that I need to edit still together uploaded today, so that this one that goes up tomorrow will just be back on the normal schedule until France, at which point, which is this weekend, at which point I'm gonna have to do this all over again on Monday next week, because I don't think I'm gonna have internet in France either. So it may just be a weekend of no vlogs once again, although that's better than a week, I guess. So anyway, the top one, oh no, come on. Yeah, the top one's almost done. That one's got a ways to go, and then the one on the browser is going to take like 8 hours. But if it fails, it doesn't matter anyway. Anyway, I've got to get in the shower because I have to go to class. I woke up this morning thinking, oh, it's another day of break, but no, I have to go to class today. So I'm going to do that. I totally forgot to say, today's Bonfire Night, which is the anniversary of a guy trying to blow up Parliament. That was failed, but that's what they celebrate. Evidently there's a bunch of people meeting up tonight for a big Kappa organized event that I'm probably going to go to with some of the people that need to work on my Shakespeare project with, because I forgot to say, that's another thing, is for our final project in that class, we can either do a project or a paper, so we'd also do a group work. So some of my friends and I decided to get together and make a video, because I'm getting, at least I think, good enough to where I can film something and edit it together and everything. It's probably just gonna be filmed on this, maybe my bigger camera, but probably this, just because it's simple, easy to use for other people in case, I need to be in the shot or something. So, but we're going to recreate some key scenes in different plays that we've read this semester and adapt them to a modern sort of setting. So we're going to do 2 speeches from Julius Caesar and a speech, well, 2 scenes, I should say, from Taming of the Shrew. And I want to say maybe something from Romeo and Juliet, even though we haven't actually read that. But it's just something that everybody knows the scene, so I don't know, we're gonna see. But tonight's the night that we're gonna plan a bunch of that stuff and do that, so yeah, it should be a lot of fun. Oh god, it's Oxford Street. Oh god. We filmed a scene for our, I don't think so. We filmed a scene for our final project at Kappa, which is going to be hilarious. And now we're on Oxford Street because they're going to light all these Christmas lights and stuff. So we're just waiting for that to happen. I don't know exactly when it's going to happen though. Because it said 5 o'clock, but it's like 5:10 and they're still not lit. But I'm excited anyway. Oxford Street. Lit up for Christmas. That way too. Event over. Oops. Time are my. It's not focusing.
It's all blurry.
Yeah, it's a little bit blurry. Now it's focused.
Good old crap.
This is for Oxford. I can't talk. This is Oxford Circus. All lit up. So many people.
They're excited. It was like all speed is.
Oh, John Lewis completely lit up. Santa Claus. I don't know what he's doing.
I think he got grossed out by the.
Oh yeah, by like cheese. Is that a sandwich? Yeah, he's oh, maybe it is a Marmite thing.
Yeah.
Go.
We're standing glad to be back.
See that. It's all lit up.
Big shoes, so
Sorry. Right, so basically, We're doing exactly what everybody tells you not to do and walking through one of the parks at night. We're gonna get mugged. The other three are back there. Can't even see them. We're gonna go see some fireworks, and I don't even know why I turned the camera around because you can't see anything anyway. Going to I can't talk. Top of Primrose Hill to see. Oh, there was some. We just missed them. Maybe through the trees. Maybe not.
I'm happy.
Okay. Oh. Okay. There's London at night.
Sorry, Annie, I'm right behind you.
Oh, I just missed some over there.
Good? Yeah.
There's some. Oh, there's gonna be some. There's one. Oh my god, this is amazing. Yeah. There's some fireworks out there.
When do they start?
Big 7.
Okay.
There's some.
We won't be able to see the little bit earlier. Where are you at the hill?
Yay!
Think about it.
There's some.
Isn't that quite scary?
I feel like we should be singing a song.
Yeah.
Well,
See, those people came prepared with sparklers.
Look at the people's finales.
Oh, finale's over there. Sparklers. Bonfire Night. There's some fireworks. Kind of far off. Hello, that's my hat. There's fireworks out there. Some right there. Some sparklers. And it's blurry again. Oh no, it's not. London at night.
I hear one.
Oh crap, I just missed it. Set another one off. I'm going to get one.
Bibles. Not that I believe, but I should just go into publishing Bibles.
My friend just took work experience in Canada working on the Presbyterian website.
But there's a ton of sparklers right there. It's a lantern and everybody's freaking out about it. Just slowly floating away. Or you can barely see it now. It looks like a star. Here we go. I'm getting some. Literally, I finally start recording and they're done. Oh. The lantern?
Yeah.
Oh god, yeah, it's way out there now. You can barely see it. Wow.
Have you ever seen Tangled?
Yes.
Best part of the movie.
Oh, yeah.
Walking into Camden, listening to music and singing along. It's good. Moulin Rouge. Oh god. I almost got run over. So I'm not actually on the sidewalk. So I'm back in Ealing now. The first video, I still have 2 more to upload for the last week, and then I have this one that I'm going to upload tomorrow. But the first one is exporting now, and then I'm going to edit the second one and then start uploading the first one. And hopefully get them all up before tomorrow so I can be back on a normal schedule, at least until this weekend, like I said this morning, where I'm not going to have internet in France. So yeah, that's it for tonight. I will see you guys tomorrow.